we're here in Bush Trail today, saying special thanks, shout out to Nadine and the crew, tell them thanks for their continued support of JRDC. Nadine, I'm going to present this to you from the JRDC. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And come April 10th, we're expecting Matthew Lee and the crew to be out supporting. Come out and see Matthew Lee and the Bush Trail crew. April 10th, Dover, Carnival of Speed, 2023.
Thank you.
You got the kiddies one? So when did you... Easter, the kiddie track will be open?
March, April 1st.
April 1st? So you hear that? The kiddies, Bush Trail is now doing a new kiddie track special for kids. These are small.
10 and up.
10 and up. And of course, safety, Bush Trail, major, number 101, car safe. You gotta be 10 years or older. And when you come out and support Bush Trail, they're always supporting motorsport and they're advocates for safety, community awareness, and the rebuilding of our youth in Jamaica. So they've gone ahead and made the investment. So come on out and Bush Trails in Linstead. All right? So come and support. We're here at Bush Trail today. Of course, race car drivers have endorsed this track, and he's one of them. We're looking forward for a good showing out of the Spoon camp, out of Ochi Pick Up Spoon. Let me go on the record. There's 4 cars coming from that camp, and that's the most of any one camp. Them already in the charge with young De La Pena. We have his uncle Andre that's coming, and we have
Andrew.
Riley and Andrew De La Pena. So 5. So the Spoon camp will be represented, right? So we're expecting a lot out of them. Come April 10th.
Easter Monday.
Easter Monday. Come see them, Lee and the crew naturally.